Brows are something that I do not want to skip. If I'm not going to do anything on my face, like my face is bare, I just have skincare, I curled my lashes, eyebrows are an absolute must. So we are going to go from this to nice fluffy brows, and I'm going to show you how I do it. I'm going to use 2 products. These are probably my favorite brow duo. You don't need to get these specific You don't need to get these 2 specific products, but these just work for me. This is the Merit Brow 1980, and I'm in light brown, and then I have the Brow 1990 also in light brown. So it has a spoolie on one end, and then on this end it's a like micro brow. Don't use this to fill in your whole brow. This is just going to be like detail work. The thing that's going to do most of the work is actually going to be the brow pomade. It's tinted. I love the brush. It's like perfect, and you'll see how it's going to coat my brows. I like a nice natural fluffy brow. I understand 2016 makeup is coming back. Those eyebrows don't work for me. I'm very close to turning 38. I can't. It's too harsh for me, and I feel like it's going to age me. So I'm going to stick with the fluffy, feathery brows. It's just what works for me now. I'm going to take this brow pomade. I'm going to take the brow pomade now, and I'm going to, I don't start in the beginning here. I don't want too much product there. The front of the brows really need to be kind of like light, and then like almost like a gradient effect. So we're gonna actually start right here, and I like to flick this up. This will keep the brows in place. It's gonna tint them. It's gonna adhere to like the little bald spot that I have in my eyebrow, so it sticks really nice. And then I kind of like, I turn a little bit in my mirror just so I can see. And I really like to kind of brush the brows up and out. That's what's going to give it like that fluffier look. Then whatever's left over, I'm going to take to the front, and I'm just going to kind of flick it up like this. Very gentle towards the front. Again, you don't want the front of the brow to be super heavy and dark. That does not work. So in doing that, this is going to keep it in place. It's tinting the hair. Now I'm going to take the pencil. The pencil is a gel formula, so once you put it on, it is going to stay. And I'm going to use it to basically shape the brow. So with my mirror, I'm holding it here. I'm holding the pencil in the back so I don't have too much pressure, and I'm just going to follow my brow shape. So like here, to kind of give it that nice perfect look, taking it and just going across, just like that. Now I'm going to take the pencil and I'm just going to flick up. Again, gentle pressure, nothing too like harsh. Here where I have my little bald spot, I'm just going to kind of go over that. And I want to give this part a little more shape, so I start here and then I just add. Don't worry about like if the lines look a little bit harsh. We're going to blend everything out in the end. You can already see, like even from a distance, like this eyebrow just looks more uniform than shaped. Gonna take that little spoolie on the end of that brush, and I'm just gonna flick up. So I tilt my chin up, look down into the mirror, and I'm gonna blend up. Let the spoolie do all the blending for you. That's what also is gonna give like that effect of like a fuller brow and like kind of help that fluffiness. Just like that. And you can tell just by looking at my face, like this side is definitely like it's more balanced. There's like a nice lift to it. The brow looks fuller. You can go in and add more if you want. I'm okay with this. I'm happy with this, but this is the before and the after.